In this guide, we're going over how you can get Microsoft Rewards points extremely fast. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. We're going to be going over 7 different things that you need to be doing if you want to get the most out of your points right here. But the first one is by far the best one that I would recommend. But the first one is by far the one that you need to start immediately, and that's by using Bing. Make sure you're doing your daily Bing searches. Simply just using Bing gives you points automatically. You'll see activity tasks like explore on Bing, quizzes, polls, etc. Always complete these. They are the easiest to do and they're going to get you points extremely quickly. In fact, I would just switch over to Bing for your search engine completely just because you can gain points constantly by doing so. The next thing I would recommend doing is getting to level 2 ASAP. Now, level 2 does earn you points a lot faster. To reach level 2, you need 500 points in a month and you have to stay active daily. This is super easy to do if you're just doing your daily sets, so make sure you're getting these done. Speaking of the daily set, always do the daily set. Every single day, 3 tasks are going to appear on your dashboard that you can access just by simply visiting your dashboard. Make sure you do your daily set. These give some of the best points per time spent in the entire program. The next thing I would recommend doing is prioritizing the highest value point tasks. Now, these are obviously pretty simple. Something that's worth 20 points is going to be better than something that's worth 10 points, especially if it's something easy like search on Bing for the upcoming weather. As you can see, it just gets you those points immediately. Now, if you do have Xbox Game Pass, open up the rewards hub on your console or on the app and just play games and complete achievements because those can give you 10 to 250 points, which is absolutely insane. And check your email often. Now, Microsoft does send booster promos sometimes. For example, bonus points for searching with Bing in Edge, as well as temporary gift card promos and limited time punch cards. So make sure you're checking your inbox for the same email that is tied to your rewards account. And finally, I would recommend setting your default browser to Microsoft Edge. If you're on Windows, all you have to do is just click on the little search bar, type in settings. Once you're on settings, go ahead and find the little apps tab over on this left-hand sidebar. Go into default apps and just search for Edge on here. Select it and then go ahead and just set Edge as your default search engine. And it's because using Edge sometimes does trigger extra point offers and Bing searches. But that is it. Those are the fastest methods to get points here with Microsoft Rewards. Just be consistent daily and your points are going to stack up extremely fast. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.